Hello everyone, and this is a quick video that helps you to find out if Python is already installed in your system or not, and if it is not installed, how to install it. In order to check if Python is already installed in the system or not, we will go to the command prompt and type in py space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. I'm getting a message here that py is not recognized as an internal or external command, which means Python is not installed. In order to download Python, we will go to the Google search engine and type here download Python. And the first link that will be coming is from python.org, the official website to download Python. It says download the latest version for Windows right on the top. We click here and it downloads Python's latest version. It's a very small download. We click on this download, open the link, and click on install now. Once we click on install now, it starts installing its libraries. It hardly takes around 1 to 2 minutes to complete the setup and installation for Python. Once the setup completes, it changes from setup progress installing to setup was successful. We'll close this window. We'll start with our command prompt again. We will type the same command, press enter, and it will show the latest version of Python, which means our Python is now successfully installed. Another thing, once you install Python, you will be getting a Python shell. So you can open the Python shell right here and type in any command directly on this shell to see if it is working or not. Another thing that you get is an integrated development environment for Python, IDLE, IDLE. We click on this and we can start typing our Python scripts by creating a new file, by going on file, new file, and we can create a new Python script here. So that's it about installing Python. Wish you good luck and happy scripting.